Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get 3D home screen on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get 3D home screen or wallpapers on your iPhone, so you must have to open your App Store and install a third-party application. As here I have downloaded this one, so you must have to download this application. And once you have downloaded, so you can easily set the 3D wallpaper as your home screen and lock screen. So just wait for the downloading. After installation, simply tap on this open option and the app will be opened. Now we are going to set 3D wallpapers, so you must have to skip this. If you want to get premium, you have to try premium, but I'm going to continue with free, and from here you just have to select which one you want. For example, I'm going to select the first one. Here, once you have that, simply tap on the set wallpaper, and here you have to allow and then skip this ad first and skip the ad again. And once you have skipped the ad, you can see that your wallpaper is saved, and now you can easily use wallpaper. Once you have that, you have to go back and open your photos. In photos, you just have to look for the specific photo or the wallpaper which we have just saved, as we have saved this one. So simply select that, then tap on these three dots, and from here you have to look for the set as wallpaper option, or you can easily find it in your wallpaper settings. Open up your settings and go for wallpaper here, and then select add new wallpaper, and here select photos, then select the photo and then tap on this add option, then tap on set as wallpaper pair. And once you have that, in this way you can easily add 3D wallpapers on your home screen or lock screen in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.